So YouTube, what's going on? Come on, get here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you, I'm gonna be showing you how to get the Pokemon Go joystick. How to get the joystick. First, go to Pokemon Go. To the Play Store. Type in Go GPS. Make it load. Okay, when you're here, you press the first one. You get that one. It has to have this bullshit right here. When you install it. When you get it, well, no, I'm gonna wait for y'all. Okay. When it installs, you just open the app, and then this is off. And then, for example, you're somewhere, right? You just mark somewhere. You press this button right here, the play button, and then you put walk, and there's the joystick. I just move this right here. Dang it. Move it over here, and then the yellow square is where you move the joystick. Then you walk around a little with the joystick. Then you get off there, and then you go to Pokemon Go. So first I need to sign in. Duh, because right now my mom barely paid my phone right now. And it kept on dying because I had 1% right now, dude. Let me log in Google and do that. I'm on K21. Duh. 21 is the favorite number of the world. Not joking. It's the funniest number in the world. Not joking. But no, that's for me, man. Like, what's in that blue? Say 21, 21, 1, 1, 21, 1, like that. That's why I think it's funny. But I do stuff. Give me keys, baby. Give me keys. Or cheese. Give me keys, baby. Give me keys. Man, my dog's shaking a lot. Well, no, I'm using the instant right now. And then there's the joystick. You're using it. Hooray! Well, now I'm turning the music for you to see me play, man. That'll be it for today, guys, and see you guys next time.